There are a few things more relaxing than a massage, and a massage chair can help you relax your way to a healthier life. Massage also helps reduce stress and improve white blood cell movement, leading to a strengthened immune system. Fine tune the settings in your chair for a customized massage experience tailored to the way you sit, feel, and relax. When we think of term zero gravity, most of us get an image of astronauts floating weightlessly through the International Space Station. Interestingly, this chair were made with astronauts in mind. A zero gravity massage chair works by not only reclining you backwards but by elevating your feet so that they are level with your heart. Being reclined this way evenly distributes stress across your body, relieving tension from any one part of the body. This position by itself is relaxing to the body and can find normal lawn chairs and recliners made with a zero gravity position. The benefits of zero gravity is improved circulation, along with offering relief from muscle tension. The zero gravity position is uniquely able to help with circulation. When your legs are elevated, it helps blood flow in and out of your heart with more ease and helps prevent blood pooling. This traits reduces blood pressure and increases the blood's ability to transport oxygen. It also helps in back pain relief. Between the individual vertebrae of your spine, there are fluids designed to give us greater mobility. However, with time and bad posture, these fluids are leaking out, making it less flexible and causing back pain. Lying in zero gravity position can help decompress the spine, allowing the fluid back into relief pain and help flexibility. It also improves posture, which prevents further back pain. It also gives deeper massage. While normal massage chairs gives an excellent massage, the further recline that zero gravity chair provide makes your back have greater contact with the chair. That means the roller in the chairs are better able to give you deeper massage if you're sitting upright.